Our adventure begins with a 60-minute ferry to Batam and then another ferry to Telunas Private Island. It was raining when we arrived, but we were too excited to let the weather spoil our mood. The arrival process was a breeze, and in no time we headed up the hill to explore our villa. Hiking up the steep incline was probably the toughest part of this trip. If you're fit, you could probably climb up in 10 minutes. If not, take your time, and you may also want to pause in the middle of the hike and catch your breath. Despite the hard work, the reward is worth the effort. The view up there is captivating. After taking a breather, we continued up the hill, and it was not long before we arrived at our villa. Surrounded by lush trees, this couple's only villa features a separate living area and sleeping quarters. Each villa comes with a private pool, providing couples with a serene and exclusive space to unwind. The pool is strategically designed for privacy, offering a romantic escape surrounded by the lush tropical landscape. From the pool, you can get a picturesque view of the ridge and the neighbouring islands across the sea. The villas are designed for comfort, featuring spacious and elegantly furnished bedrooms with panoramic views of the surrounding forest. Guests can enjoy a romantic atmosphere in a secluded and intimate setting, perfect for a romantic getaway. The well-appointed shower and toilet facilities contribute to the overall comfort, seamlessly blending modern amenities with natural surroundings.